Thank you, John. This is Keisha over at the Fox WBSP, and we are live here in Georgia. As you can see, we are having a severe snowstorm. We're expected to get 9 inches of snow today, and we are hoping that everyone doesn't go out and buy all the bread, eggs, and milk today, as we need them supplies for later on in the day. We're telling everyone, please stay home, as the roads, as you can see, are very, very bad, and we just want everybody to be safe. Okay, so
Hurry up and let's get this quick, Tim. He scares me. One moment, John. There's a homeless man walking up. Come on over here, sir.
can you tell the viewers what you think of the snow? Georgia doesn't get snow often, but what do you think?
It's cold.
And back to you, John.